Gotta jack it up. Get it. What's up, y'all? Hotbait 601 coming at you with a little simple video on my 06 F150 here. Of course, y'all probably already know I'm running 30s on my truck. They've been on here quite a while, and I have to replace my sway bar end link bushings. So I actually tried to get just the bushings, but they don't sell. They sell just the bushing, but just the bushing was like $12 for one. So I got the whole kit for like 20 bucks for each side. So you can see right there, the bushing is wore out. I just took the top bolt off, which is right there. I'm just gonna show you. Hey, pup, you out here helping me tonight? But I got two new ones right here. That I'll be installing. I'm not gonna do like a whole lot of filming. You know, I just figured I'll just record like a little quick video with me just showing what it looks like here. And then once I put the new one on, it's pretty simple. I mean, with my truck sitting up so high, I can get up under it. I ain't got to jack it up or do anything. So I'm gonna install this one on this side, and then after that we'll see the finishing results. Alright, I am back. Got it installed. There it is. That's the old one right there. But look, it was a bitch. I had to freaking take my crowbar right here and put, let me see, like right here, and pry, let's see, and pry up on that bar just to get that bitch out of there. And plus, glad I got that flow jack right there. So I just jacked both sides up. The other side is already up. So the only thing I gotta do is just turn the wheel and go to the other side and install the other one. Not gonna work past 10 o'clock, so I'm not sure what time it is right now. Probably about 9:15, 9:20. So I'm just gonna start on the other side. If I get it out, I'll just finish it tomorrow. But 06 F150, replacing the sway bar end link bushings, and I got the driver's side installed. First of all, reason why I'm changing them was because I started hearing my truck, like when I hit a bump, I started making like a little rattling noise. So I was wondering like, what the fuck is that? So I just thought maybe it was the struts need replacing. But lo and behold, I was under the truck last weekend, and I always do like an inspection when I'm under my truck, like with my tires and stuff. I kind of check like tread wear on the inside, sidewall issues, bent rim. I check for all that. So I discovered, you know, the top rubbers was worn out. So that's the reason why I am replacing this. Pretty simple job, but like I say, everything I pretty much do would be easy with two people, but it's just me. The time that I be doing stuff, I don't ever have no help doing it, so I just have to tackle it on my own. But anyway, I'm gonna switch sides, and I'll come back and let y'all see like how the other bushing look before I even start taking it off. And then from there, I'll replace it, and we'll see what happens. Okay, here we go. Hope y'all can see it. I don't know if I'm holding the camera right, but damn, it's tight. That's it right there. Everything else is good on it, but the no rubber at the top, so therefore it moves back and forth. Try to get my ass in there and get it off. Like I said, I just want to get it loose. I don't know, I might finish the shit. It's 9:06 right now. Cut you back on soon. Alright, it's a wrap. I'm done. Let me let y'all look at this one I installed on this side. Let's see. Kind of hard to get in here, but bear with me. Let me get in here. There it is. It's installed. So there's these two right here. Like I said, the two top bushings was wore out, and then the bottom piece, you know, it's got like a little ball joint in there, and that's real stiff. These ain't even got nowhere to grease them, but the one I put on got like an alumite in them so I can grease them. So that's gonna conclude it. Starting the wheel back up. We're gonna let this thing down. Three-ton flow jack. Y'all ain't got one, you need to get one. I'm sure it's gonna make a difference in the stand. Because before, I felt like it had a swag on this side with my body weight. I can feel it like kind of drifting over to the left a little bit. So that was my problem. So now it looks like she's sitting up right. We are good. And I finished before 10. What time is it? I think I started this job about 8:30. 9:45. I did good. I did good. Hey, but thank y'all for watching. If y'all tuning in, subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel. Because like I say, I never know what I'm going to do. So I just put left, right, sway bar, end link bushings, the whole little shaft. I just installed it on here. There's nothing to it. I mean, really, look, the hardest part is you would need a flow jack, and you most definitely need a pry bar to pry up on that sway bar to get those bushings in there. And like I said, I did it by myself, trying to pry up on the sway bar and then get the link in there. It was difficult, but luckily I had some pretty good strength to pry up on that sway bar. Like I said, subscribe to me. We're just trying to get this truck ready to start hitting the road and hit some shows within the next 2 weeks. Well, this coming weekend and then the next weekend I'll be hitting some shows. So I'm just trying to do every little thing that I see that I can tidy up on. But until then, be looking out for my next video. Hot Bay 601. Peace.